I'm here at the Body Shop Plus in Santa Maria and picking up some sandblasting parts. They do a very good job. They know what they do, and I used them for a few years now, and thin metal, sheet metal, and they haven't destroyed one piece for me yet. So it's a company that I can really recommend, and quick turnaround. They can also do painting, primer or other paint work, so they can do that immediately after it's sandblasted if you want. So I'm back here at my shop now in Grover Beach, and here you can see all the parts that I had sandblasted at Body Shop Plus in Santa Maria, and they did a great job. It's like getting brand new pieces back, and some of them was really rusted, and for me to get the rust off, you know, it needs to be sandblasted. So I can really recommend for any parts that you're going to work on for your car, have them sandblasted first. But this is what it looks like, and it's like brand new. So I'm really happy. But now I need to put the primer on it so it doesn't start rust again, because then I need to take it for sandblasted one more time. So it's that is important to protect it now. But I don't want some of the parts that I'm going to work on, so I don't want a thick epoxy primer on it. So I just put a thin primer on it to cover it for the rust to go again. If you have some parts that you want to be sandblasted before you start work on it, you can have it sandblasted first. But if you're not in this area, so you can have it done here, I recommend to take a few pieces to the company that says that they can do it for you, and then you let them do it first before you take more parts there to check them out so they do a good job. That's what I recommend you to do, and I have done that in the past as well. So it's important so they don't destroy pieces for you. So that's what I had for today's video. It's not metal shaping, but it's part of it, and it's part of building cars and having fun. So now I have more stuff to put together, and it feels good to use up parts that I have bought for many years, and now I can actually put it to use again, and that feels good. It's a good feeling. So I hope you enjoyed this video, even if it was not metal shaping, but it's something that is important for you when you're building your car at home or just repairing parts. It's a good start with to do the sandblasting first, and it's clean, no fumes when you're welding and grinding and all that stuff. Keep it clean. So if you want more information about my hands-on classes, go to www.lazzemetalshaping.com, or books or DVDs. And remember to send me an email with suggestions what you'd like to see on my video in the future. Thank you for watching, and see you soon again.